How to install VMware Workstation Player for Linux. Open a terminal window by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T. Run sudo apt install built essential. Open VMware download site. Site link in video description. Click the Download Now button. Click Download next to the Linux version. Make the downloaded file executable. Run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install. Click Close to complete the installation. Run multiple virtual machines, containers, or Kubernetes clusters on one PC. Thanks for watching video.